Did you know that 40 million individuals with kidney disease could greatly enhance their health by including just 7 specific foods in their diet? Imagine the effect of such a straightforward change. Recent discoveries from the National Kidney Foundation have highlighted this groundbreaking possibility, revealing that certain foods have the extraordinary potential to not only safeguard your kidneys, but also to improve their function, potentially increasing your glomerular filtration rate, GFR, by up to 40%. This isn't just about minor improvements. It's about transformative health benefits that can redefine living with chronic kidney disease. The foods we're about to reveal are supported by science and proven to lower creatinine levels, making them essential for anyone looking to support their kidney health. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with knowledge that could drastically improve your quality of life or that of someone you care about. So if you're ready to take a step towards a healthier future, keep watching. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the power of these 7 incredible kidney-protecting foods. Don't miss out on this life-changing information. Stick around till the end and prepare to be amazed. 1. Lemons. Lemons, with their bright yellow hue, are not just a wonderful flavor enhancer for your meals or drinks, but also a hidden secret for kidney health. When it comes to reducing creatinine levels and improving kidney function, lemons play a significant role. Why is this? Firstly, lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and supports the body in eliminating toxins. Furthermore, lemons contain citrate, a natural compound proven to prevent the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are not only painful, but also increase the risk of kidney function decline. Therefore, a glass of lemon water each day does more than just refresh your taste buds. It also keeps your kidneys in good health. But that's not all. Lemons also promote proper hydration. Adequate hydration is key to maintaining stable kidney function, as the kidneys are tasked with filtering and removing waste from the body. Drinking lemon water encourages a thirst response and thereby increases water consumption, helping the kidneys work more efficiently. I'll give you some examples. Green tea. Adding lemon juice to green tea can make green tea 5 times as healthy. The reason is the catechin naturally present in green tea. Catechins are antioxidants that have been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disorders, and they are incredibly powerful at improving kidney health. But they are very hard for the body to absorb. We only absorb 20% or less of the catechins in green tea. This is where lemon juice makes a difference. Citrus juices, including lemon, can increase the absorption of catechins by more than 5 times. Incredible. A similar result can be obtained with the iron present in foods such as legumes, spinach, chards, or other leafy greens. Iron is one of the most important minerals for people with kidney disease, and while there are some foods that are rich in it, you also need to make sure the precious iron is not wasted. But how can you do that? Add a source of vitamin C just like lemon juice. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. And there's one more food that can be made more effective in combination with lemon. I'm talking about garlic. Garlic is one of the most amazing superfoods on earth, and it can lower your blood pressure. But garlic can also be mixed with lemon juice. And the reason is cholesterol. A meta-analysis confirmed that garlic is effective in reducing total serum cholesterol by 17.6 mg dl and LDL cholesterol by 9.6 mg dl. However, studies also found out that garlic must be consumed with another food in order to improve your cholesterol levels. Lemon is that food. 2. Potatoes. Up next, our number 2 is another super underrated food that's also a source of what I consider one of the healthiest types of carbohydrate in the world: red potatoes. Potatoes, those wonderful tasty delights, have often been unfairly shunned, especially by those concerned about their waistline. But here's a little secret. Potatoes are genuinely good for you. Packed with as many nutrients and fibers as other vegetables, they're also home to a special kind of carbohydrate that could be particularly beneficial for folks dealing with kidney issues. This superhero carb is known as resistant starch. The magic of resistant starch lies in its journey through our body. It doesn't get fully broken down and absorbed. Instead, it heads straight to the large intestine, turning into a banquet for the good bacteria living there. A healthy gut is like a goldmine for our overall health, and adding a bit of resistant starch into your diet is like striking gold. Studies have shown that resistant starch can play a role in improving insulin resistance, helping to manage blood sugar more effectively. However, it's important to note that not all potatoes are created equal. The ones with the most resistant starch, and therefore lower on the glycemic index, GI, are the red potatoes. These are the kind of gluten-free, low GI carbs that fit perfectly into a diabetic-friendly diet. For those managing chronic kidney disease, CKD, without the need to limit potassium, potatoes can be a healthy part of your diet in moderation. Interestingly, there's a simple trick to boost the resistant starch in potatoes even further, which can lower their GI value. Just boil your potatoes with their skins on, pop them in the fridge overnight and eat them cold the next day. This small step can make potatoes an even better choice for supporting your health. 3. Bok choy, a type of cabbage that's not only lush and green but also a tremendously nutritious food source, especially for those managing kidney stone conditions or looking to protect their kidney health. What makes bok choy a caped crusader in the vegetable world? The key lies in its abundant calcium content. Finding ample calcium in a plant-based diet can be challenging, but bok choy makes it effortlessly achievable. Calcium is essential not just for strong bones, but also plays a significant role in minimizing the risk of kidney stone formation, a benefit not always highlighted but incredibly important. Calcium works by binding to and removing oxalate from the intestines, reducing the likelihood of stone formation. This is particularly beneficial for individuals frequently dealing with kidney stones or those who have restrictions on their water intake. But bok choy doesn't stop there. It's also a rich source of nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that can dilate blood vessels, enhancing blood flow to organs and tissues. This could contribute to a slight decrease in blood pressure, thanks to improved circulation. 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, often hailed as liquid gold, is not just a heart-healthy staple. It's also a powerful ally in the fight against kidney issues, including the prevention and healing of kidney stones. This remarkable oil is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that not only bolster your cardiovascular health, but also offer significant benefits for your kidneys. Firstly, the high levels of healthy fats in extra virgin olive oil can aid in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. This reduction in inflammation can help mitigate the risk of kidney stones forming by ensuring that minerals don't clump together in the kidneys. Additionally, the healthy fats found in olive oil improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants from other foods, which can be crucial for maintaining kidney health. For instance, when combined with foods rich in vitamin D such as shiitake mushrooms or lycopene-rich tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil can significantly enhance the absorption of these nutrients. Vitamin D plays a vital role in kidney health by helping to regulate kidney function, while lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of kidney stones. Moreover, the gentle protective effects of extra virgin olive oil on the cardiovascular system can indirectly benefit the kidneys. A healthy heart ensures efficient blood flow to the kidneys, aiding in their crucial filtering role. By incorporating just a couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into your daily diet, you can support your kidneys in performing their detoxifying duties more efficiently, potentially easing the burden on these vital organs and promoting overall renal health. 5. Kimchi, this tangy and spicy fermented delight, is far more than just a flavorful addition to meals. It's a powerhouse for supporting kidney health. Packed with a diverse array of probiotics, kimchi stands out as a superior choice, especially for those focused on reducing the risk of kidney stones, lowering creatinine levels, and promoting overall kidney healing. Unlike dairy-based probiotic sources such as yogurt, which can be high in animal proteins and phosphorus elements those with kidney concerns might need to limit, kimchi offers a kidney-friendly alternative without these components. However, it's important to be mindful of its sodium content to ensure it fits within a balanced dietary plan. So, how exactly does kimchi work its magic on the kidneys? The probiotics found in kimchi play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is intimately linked to kidney health. A balanced gut can help reduce inflammation, a known factor in the formation of kidney stones, and aid in the more efficient removal of waste products, including excess creatinine, from the body. By improving gut health, kimchi indirectly supports the kidney's ability to filter and detoxify the blood, contributing to their healing and proper functioning. So next time you're grocery shopping, why not add some kimchi to your cart and give your kidneys a helping hand, the tasty way? 6. Flaxseed. Flaxseed, a small but mighty seed, is carving out a reputation as a superhero for kidney health. Its nutritional profile is astonishing, packed with magnesium, selenium, vitamin B6, iron and vitamin B1, making it a nutrient-dense ally in the fight against kidney issues. But it's the omega-3 fatty acids that really set flaxseed apart, offering powerful anti-inflammatory benefits that are crucial for anyone focused on maintaining or improving kidney health. Inflammation can be a significant contributor to kidney damage, and flaxseed's ability to reduce this inflammation is a key factor in its role in kidney care. It's this anti-inflammatory action that can help prevent the formation of kidney stones, a painful and common kidney issue. Moreover, flaxseed's rich omega-3 content helps protect the kidneys from further damage by improving overall kidney function and potentially enhancing the glomerular filtration rate, GFR, a critical measure of kidney health. For those navigating the challenges of diabetes, a condition closely linked with kidney health, flaxseed offers additional benefits. Incorporating flaxseed into the diet has been shown to lower HbA1c levels, a marker of long-term blood sugar control. By managing diabetes more effectively, flaxseed indirectly supports kidney health, addressing one of the leading causes of kidney failure. Adding flaxseed to your diet is simple and can be a delicious way to support your kidneys, whether blended into a morning smoothie or used as flax meal in baking. This versatile seed can make a significant difference in your kidney health journey. Remember though, moderation is key, as flaxseed does contain phosphorus and protein. For those with kidney disease or at risk of kidney disease, a daily intake of about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed is often recommended. Ground flaxseed is preferred over whole flaxseed because it's easier for the body to digest and absorb the nutrients. This dosage allows you to reap the health benefits, including improved kidney function and reduced inflammation, without overloading your kidneys with too much phosphorus. 7. Tangerines. These small, brightly coloured citrus fruits are more than just a sweet treat. They're a secret weapon for those looking to support their kidney health and manage their creatinine levels. While all citrus fruits are celebrated for their health benefits, including their ability to bolster heart health and combat cholesterol, tangerines stand out for a very special reason, particularly for individuals with concerns about their kidney function or battling diabetes. The magic ingredient in tangerines is a flavonoid called nobiletin, found abundantly in the peel. Nobiletin is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting diabetes, a condition closely linked to kidney health. High blood sugar levels can strain the kidneys, leading to elevated creatinine levels and, over time, chronic kidney disease. By improving glycemic control and reducing insulin resistance, tangerines directly contribute to kidney health by lessening this burden. This is crucial because managing diabetes effectively can slow the progression of kidney damage and help maintain better overall kidney function. To tap into the full potential of tangerines for kidney health, consider incorporating the fruit, including its peel, into your daily diet. One innovative way to do this is by blending 2 tangerines into a smoothie, peel and all. This method ensures you're getting the maximum amount of nobiletin, alongside the fruit's other beneficial vitamins and fiber, which can further aid in managing creatinine levels by promoting overall health and well-being. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Here are 7 underappreciated foods that are excellent for kidney health. And they're not just for those with kidney issues, they're fantastic for everyone's diet. We're curious about your experiences. Have you added any kidney-friendly foods to your meals? Share your stories, advice, and recipes in the comments section. Let's share knowledge and support each other's kidney health. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for spending time with us. See you in the next video.